Girl, you are missing out on the best night of sleep of your life if you don't get this queen tape. It's breathable, it's gentle, it's hypoallergenic, and it works. I put this on my mouth every night and it stops you from snoring. Or sometimes I just sleep with my mouth open and I wake up with a sore throat. This keeps all of that from happening. It's going viral on TikTok. I've got it tagged in the orange cart. Click and get yours today. You've got to try this out. Do you think I can get my husband to wear this?